In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to select multiple files at once here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your File Explorer and navigate to the file where you would like to select it at once. Okay, so here I have multiple files and there are my windows. Okay, and if you would like to know how to select multiple files all at once, all you need to do is you need to drag your cursor, okay? And the moment you've dragged it, you would be able to select multiple files all at once, okay? Again, just drag your cursor here, and in that way, you'd be able to select multiple files at once. So let's say you don't want to select this first file folder, and you would like to select only this third folder next to it. All you need to do is you need to drag your cursor here, and in that way, you'd be able to select this three file folder except the first one and except the next files next to it. Okay, so another way on how to select multiple files all at once is that you need to press Ctrl A on your keyboard, and in that way you'd be able to select multiple files all at once. You are being able to select the whole. Okay, so this is very important. I mean, knowing how to select multiple files all at once is very important to lessen the work here, or if you have any task, or if you would like to delete any of your file folder here all at once, just drag your cursor, and in that way you can select it the whole and you can delete it easily in just a click. Okay, so that's it. You can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.